1972 Chevy El Camino. Nice solid California car. No signs of rust. Nice rebuilt Chevy 350 engine. Dress up kit. Dress up kit. Nice solid floors in the back, all the way through under the mat. Paint is a flat white. Chrome wheels, American Racing wheels, rally stripes. It's got a Grill SS badge. I doubt it's an SS. But it's clean, solid. Nice interior. No rips or tears. AC on the car. AC does work. Factory old school Frigidaire unit. Nice chrome. See, the rockers are very solid. Bottom of the car is nice. It's not a show vehicle, but it certainly is a cool, clean 72 El Camino. Nice and solid down below. Runs strong. Auto trans. Aftermarket gauges. Stereo. New carpets. Dual exhaust. Solid underneath. California car. Title in hand. Current tags. Ready to drive. Front's been lowered. American Racing wheels. 15-inch tires. GM Sport mirrors. Mileage shows at 37,000, probably 137.